Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set due dates for template tasks and subtasks in Asana. This feature is incredibly useful when you're managing recurring projects or workflows, as it lets you automate deadlines relative to your project timeline, saving you from manually adjusting dates every single time. First, open the Asana web app and navigate to the project where you want to create your template. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click the Customize button. This will open up a side menu with various project customization options that let you tailor how your project functions. In that side menu, click on Task Types and Templates. This section is where Asana stores all the structural elements that make your projects repeatable and organized. You'll see a list of existing task types, so go ahead and click on the task row to open up the task type options. This is where the magic happens. Next, click on the Templates tab, which sits right next to the Details tab at the top. Now you're in template management mode. Click the Add Template button to start building your new template from scratch. You'll see a field at the top where you can type your template name. For example, you might call it Design Web Banner or whatever fits your workflow. Here's where it gets really powerful. Look for the Due Date section and click Set a Relative Due Date. Asana will let you choose a relative rule, meaning the due date adjusts automatically based on when the project starts or when the task is created. For instance, you could set it to 5 days after project start. This ensures that every time you use this template, the due date recalculates itself without you lifting a finger. Now you can add other details like assignees, dependencies, tags, or a description to make your template more robust. But the real-time saver comes with subtasks. Click Add Subtask under the Collaborators section and enter the subtask's name, something like Draft Design. Then click Set a Relative Due Date on that subtask and choose an offset, such as 2 days after parent tasks start. If you need more subtasks, just repeat the process. For example, add Review Design and set it to 4 days after parent tasks start. This way, your entire workflow unfolds automatically with perfectly timed deadlines. Once your template is fully configured, click Done at the bottom right. Asana auto-saves your edits, so your template is immediately ready to use whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.